Hello everyone. Today we would like to walk you through how to export and import a preset parameter or report on a local KFA310. First, let's assume we need to perform an AC test. These are the output configuration. Let's run a simple test with this configuration first. Just connect the binary input 1 and its ground port. So the trip time is 3.742 seconds and the trip value is 2 amperes. Second, click the File button to save the parameters and the test report. When we click Config, we can configure information such as the substation, device name, device type, device manufacturer, and other details in the report. And click the text box so that we could edit the file name. The file type of report is HTML file. After editing, we could save the report in the device by clicking the Save button. If we need to save the parameters, we should select the test plan. As the same as the report, we could edit the file name. But its file type is TRST. Just click Save to complete the saving of parameters in the device. After saving, how could we export the report and parameter files to a USB drive? The USB drive is in FAT32 format. Let's return to the main page. And access to File Manager. Because the file has already been saved on the device, we need to switch the location to the device. In File Type, selecting Test Plan allows us to export the parameter file and Report allows us to export the report. The module indicates the test module from which the file was generated. Let's export the report first. Select the file and click the Export button. The export program will first automatically create a folder named Report or Test Plan in the root directory of the USB drive. Then, inside the folder, it will create a subfolder named after the selected module, AC Test. Finally, the report file will be saved in that module's folder. Let's check whether the export was actually successful. Switch the file location to USB, and keep the file type and module consistent with those used during saving. Now, we had learned how to save and export the report and configuration. But how could we import the configuration we want? Let's return to the AC test. We should click the File button again. Then select the Configure by File. In the drop-down list, we could find out the configuration file we want through the file name and choose it. Finally, click OK to confirm. The configuration of this module will be imported successfully. This completes our workflow. Thanks for watching our video.